evening, people. How is everyone doing? We are back at our favorite Instagram live series. We are loving Fridays, isn't it? We are loving it because of so many reasons. The people joining in, the people coming for live, the people coming and sharing their sustainable products are coming, their struggles, their journey, and what not. So yes, the Instagram live series has become favorite of many members. When I get a message that they are loving and they are making sure that they do not miss any Instagram live series, and if at all they miss, they make sure they do watch it on YouTube or in our FB community. So yes, this is wonderful thing to know that people who love MW really want to be on all the platforms, and yes, they are appreciating all the efforts, efforts by us, efforts by the people who are coming on Instagram live series. And this is not a small thing, because these people are doing wonderful in their business. They people are putting their day and night, and trust me, when it is, the reward what you give, the appreciation what you give matters the most. Like that we have Instagram live series every Friday with experts from all walks of life. We are having so many moms doing wonderful business, doing wonderful, their journeys are inspiring, and this makes us really feel proud on them. These guys are really making a difference in everyone's life. Yes. So today we are welcoming one of such person I really admire. The journey she has, and the reach. Her reach has not only limited to common people. She has worked with the celebs. She has actually served people in film fraternity. She has actually counseled. She has given her tarot readings to them, and I have seen the feedbacks. I have met her and I know her. This really makes a difference in everyone's life, in a common man life, because that means that people really trust her. And today, if you are in any business, people do trust you. You just have to make sure that keep talking about your business. That's what we shared 2 days ago also. Let's not waste time and call our today's guest. I'm calling Shambhavi Chugani. She is a tarot reader, and she'll be sharing her journey with us today. Not only the journey, she'll be taking few queries as I requested. There are few members who want to know about few random things which are troubling in their lives, and probably she have the simplest answers. So yes, I'm waiting for Shambhavi so that I can have her and she can join us in the live. And yes, she will be sharing her journey, why tarot, how tarot is important in anybody's life, how tarot is necessary in these lives. That's how we are going to talk about it, and then we'll be taking the queries. So yes, I've got a request from her, and there she is. Hi, Shambhavi.
So good to
How
see you,
are
Shangu.
So good to see you, Shambhavi, after a long time. It's been really
Very
long.
long time. Yes.
This pandemic, yes, we can now call it happy-demic, because it's still not ended, but we are going with it, to accept it the way it is.
Absolutely. We are all getting used to the new normal life of seeing each other more on live chats than in person. So
Yes,
yes,
I
it's so
guess this
wonderful.
is fruitful.
Hello,
This is
everybody.
really fruitful for many people.
Absolutely. While a lot of
Especially
people,
people like you. Shambhavi, I know that you being into tarot business, and it's really difficult. It must be difficult for you to travel to places, or people coming to you, and they often want some online consultation. So you must be getting a good business nowadays. I'm very sure people want to come out of these obstacles and want the solution, right?
yes. एक छोटी सी एडिट करूंगी मैं. बिजनेस नहीं है एक्चुअली, ये हीलिंग है which I impart to people.
I'm sorry.
And
Yes.
yeah, and yes, of course, there is an energy exchange for the energy that we put in. Yes, there have been many heart-wrenching stories that I'm listening in these pandemic times, जो actually बहुत ही thought-provoking होता है. But yes, this pandemic has kept me a lot more busier than my usual daily life. I've done a lot of things during these pandemic times, which I usually was postponing, and I think I'm doing all of it now.
Shambhavi, this is the trust you have earned. And like I said before you came, I said people trust you and, you know, they come to you blindly and seek, you know, the positive energy and which you are master in that. I'm very sure we have had this live chat also in Facebook group community, I remember. And you were going mad with the response.
Yes.
Yes, that was not ending it. I remember.
Yes. That was fun and it's quite a memorable episode. Yes, it's lovely.
Yeah.
Thank you everybody for joining in. Thank you so much. Looking forward to your questions. Looking forward to sharing my journey with you. So yes, all here.
All over to you, Shambhavi. So please do let us know. Now, all over to you. We want to know why tarot, and because this was due since long now. We want to know why Shambhavi chose it and how it is benefiting you and people around you. How is the family people supporting, and why only tarot? Over to you.
Definitely. I did love to share my journey with all of you here. So, सबसे पहले, I did not choose tarot. Tarot chose me. Usually what happens when we choose our particular, kind of the profession, we consciously work towards it. But यहाँ I think उल्टा हुआ. यहाँ I think बचपन से I had a lot of inclination towards spirituality. So being born in a family wherein I was taught a lot of modalities as a child. So that happened, and went in college. I got a mentor. I learned tarot. I had an opportunity to practice, so I practiced. And I have a lot of friends from college days who still reach out to me, who connect with me, who chat up with me. So it's quite a beautiful thing. I'm a hotel management and an MBA in HR and marketing. So I have worked in the corporate for about 12 years now. But kahin na kahin, tarot was always like my shadow. वो साथ हमेशा था. And there came a point wherein I was like, nahi, I think it is now time. When I conceived Kunj, I think it was then time for me to consciously switch. And the switch also happened in such a beautiful way that, I started working on my tarot journals while I was in the company. I had a lot of time in the afternoon. I used to sit down, make my journals. I had a lot of people at work who kind of trusted me. So when I was making a decision, मतलब कहते ना वो एक second hobby turned passion turned profession जो एक switch होता है, it did not take me too much. It was like in my mind it was there, and it was there. Matlab, tarot was there. Like everybody would walk up to me and tell me, "What are you thinking? You have tarot in hand. What are you thinking? You have tarot in hand." So I didn't choose tarot. I think tarot was very tight with me. It didn't let me go. And yeah, so that's how my journey began. It's been 21 long years now that I am with my cards, and I consult 8 countries. Consulted many celebrities like how you mentioned Chalu, many people. I would like to share one story here with you that वो मुझे दिल को बहुत छू गया था ये story, and I really thought that my hard work is now beginning to reach a lot of people. So as you know, I live in Bombay. I am in Powai. So there was this lady near IIT who was with me on Facebook for a very long time. And I'm talking to you about 8-9 years ago, जब ज़्यादा options नहीं थे, Instagrams नहीं थे, live chats नहीं थे, live chat concepts नहीं थे हमारे पास, तो हम सिर्फ Facebook के through एक दूसरे से connect होते थे. So she was with me connected then, and we had these, small, mommy communities in Powai that was still coming up, and she had seen me there. So she'd heard me, she'd seen me, she'd seen my testimonials, but we hadn't met. She called to inquire about my fees, and I think उन दिनों में कुछ 1,000, 1,200 या 1,500 something like this I was charging. So she said, oh, okay. And she took all the information and she said, okay, I will get back to you. I very clearly remember this was the start of the year around, Jan, Feb time. She again called me back around Christmas time and she said, ki, very excitedly, this voice was there in my ears. He said, now I can meet you. So it didn't, मुझे नहीं समझ में आया, now I can meet you, matlab what? Because I used to get calls for appointments, because that was the only way to connect. Okay, fair enough. She came home and all, and she baked me a lovely Christmas cake. I think that was the best gift that year. And after the reading and all that got over, we extended, 15-20 minute extend ho gaya tha. And she was very uncomfortable that how would she pay me for that extra thing. When she got up to pay money to me, Shalu, mera dil us lady ne le liya. She got up to pay. She had tears in her eye. She held the money like, like बिल्कुल ऐसे दो हाथों में ऐसे करके she held the money in her hand. And she said, this is the money for you. And it took me 6 months to gather up this money because I'm the only earning member. I live in a chawl. I teach small children. I run my house. My husband is not earning. Children are not supporting. So I have to run the house, pay school fees, pay everything. Every month, I took 100 rupees aside and I kept for you that I could, come to you. To bake a cake, I took 200 rupees loan from my neighbor कि I want to bake a cake. खाली हाथ आपके पास कैसे जाऊँ? आप बहुत बड़े लोग हो. You can't imagine. मेरी आज भी आंखें भर जाती है whenever I recall this. I just took the cake from her. I hugged her. I just told her, give me 1 rupee and that will be my fees. I will not touch this hard-earned money of yours. So, I then felt that my work, what people tell me, Sam is reading for me. मुझे तब लगा कि हाँ, अब मेरा मेहनत, अब मेरी चीजें लोगों तक पहुंच रही हैं. एंड जेन्युइनली जितनी बार मैं ये जहां भी शेयर करती हूँ ना, इट जस्ट टचेस माय हार्ट सो मच. एंड इतना ग्रैटिट्यूड और प्यार निकलता है इनके लिए, इतना रिस्पेक्ट निकलता है. ऐसा लगता है एक्चुअली आई हैव डन समथिंग इन माय लाइफ एंड टू पीपल अराउंड दैट दे फील सो मच फॉर मी. मतलब सीरियसली बहुत ही खुशी होती है जब ऐसा कोई इंसिडेंट होता है तो.
This is really heart touching, heart melting rather. In fact, when you were sharing this story, I got my eyes teary. And this is really what I'm telling you, that people love you so much because they trust you blindly. They come to you and speak about their problems because it's not easy to discuss personal problems with anyone. And if they're coming to you and telling the every minute detail ki kya chal raha hai life mein, so it is really commendable. So
thank you.
Congratulations for achieving that milestone in your life, Shambhavi. This is really, really important.
Thank you so much. Indeed, honestly, जब ऐसी incidences होती हैं तो seriously लगता है ना कि कितने सारे लोग हैं, कितना कुछ उनकी लाइफ में चल रहा है और हम नहीं समझ सकते जब तक वो एपिसोड्स हमसे शेयर नहीं होता है तब तक.
Yes.
So yeah.
That's the moment, Shambhavi. I always say to many people in the community that we crib on small things. कि आज ये नहीं हो गया, आज वो नहीं हो गया. But look at the people, how they are surviving. Even this pandemic, अभी जो हम लोग की सीरीज भी कर रहे हैं, this was a boost for all the entrepreneurs, to the experts, क्योंकि बहुत सारे businesses बहुत अभी ठप हो चुके हैं. लोगों के पास options नहीं है कि किनसे जाके बात करें. To give them a platform, a community on, all the platforms. This was just a motive for this series, and I'm super glad that I started this only for 20, experts, 20 entrepreneurs. But all are booked now. We are done. I guess yours is 13th or 14th today. And I am already booked for the rest of the, the sessions. And
I don't know if I'm going to extend it or not, but this really, feels good to support them when they get business out, after this.
बिल्कुल.
If you see the previous lives, we have done, so you will hear that yes, people are telling कि मैम हमें बहुत business भी आया है, कुछ inquiries आई हैं. So this is really important. So yes.
No, Shalu, I keep seeing your work as well. Honestly, but कई बार ऐसा होता है कि मैं comment नहीं कर पाती या on the go मैं देखती रहती हूँ चीजें. But even you and your community is doing a fab job. I think I've known you ever since Mommy's World, you and me had started. I think हम कितनी बार मिले हैं, बात की है. But there's such a lovely warmth that I get from you. Honestly, when the community grows, आसान नहीं होता है कि हम हर किसी से उसी वार्मथ से मिलें. हम मिलना जरूर चाहते हैं, बट बिजी और सब चीज इतनी डिमांडिंग हो जाती है कि हम मिल नहीं पाते हैं. But with you, the warmth hasn't ever decreased. It's always been very beautiful, very nice. So thank you so much for having me here, for this live chat, for talking, for sharing. It's a beautiful feeling.
It's a pleasure to have you. It's a pleasure to have you because people like you and from different walks of life when sharing their journey and helping the community to go in a better way. Purpose seems solve हो गया है कि अगर पब्लिक तक हमारा मैसेज कन्वे हो रहा है, so that's the best thing. I'm always open to the criticism and the appreciation. So yes, so you are one of them that I really admire.
Thank you. Thank you so much. I heard that. Thank you.
Yes. So I want to know, Shambhavi, now there are people you definitely know, such kind of people who do not believe in tarot. Why tarot? कुछ नहीं होता है, ये सब बेकार की बातें होती है. Sun है, moon है, ग्रहण है, and all that stuff. How do you cope up with that? And how do you try to make them believe, or you try to influence them, or what do you do in that case? Because I want to say that in a family also, husband believe नहीं करेंगे, wife believe करेंगी, ऐसा भी होता है.
So देखिए, बिलीफ सिस्टम ना बहुत ही सब्जेक्टिव होता है. बिलीफ हम तभी करेंगे जब हमें किसी चीज की एक्सपीरियंस हो. जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल किसी प्रॉब्लम में हम फंसे हैं और हम भगवान को प्रे कर रहे हैं कि गॉड प्लीज हेल्प मी, एंड यू गेट some help from somewhere. So what happens? We start trusting in God and we start saying, देखो मैंने मदद मांगा था, मैं मुसीबत में था, भगवान आ गए. भगवान है, भले ही हमने भगवान को कभी नहीं देखा और हम देख भी नहीं सकते हैं, ठीक है. उसी तरह से टैरो है. मेरे पास ऑनेस्टली शालू बहुत लोग इस तरह से भी आए हैं कि अच्छा चलो इसकी नॉलेज देखते हैं. ये जितना बोलती है अपने बारे में या सोशल मीडिया पे जितना इसके बारे में सुना है, क्या ये उतनी है या it is just a shusha on the social media? So yes, I do get such people, and you will not believe, at the door only I will know that they have come home to test me. सबसे मजे की बात तो एक थी कि I had a client who was like after me, and पता नहीं क्यों वो एक instinctively मैं उसको अपॉइंटमेंट नहीं दे पा रही थी, किसी न किसी वजह से मैं नहीं दे पा रही थी. Finally, after a lot of pressurizing and thing, I gave her the appointment and she came home. When she came home, at the door, I knew she was another tarot reader. I did not say a word. I got her in. We started the consultation the way I would start my consultation with any other person. I dealt the cards. There is one card which connects that which speaks that you are a healer or you are a tarot reader, and you can't go wrong with that card. So when I was asking the cards, who is she? In my mind, I asked, who is she? I pulled out the card and I opened the card, and it came out she was another tarot reader. So I said, oh wow, you and I practice the same trade. That's lovely to know, because abhi tak aisa koi nahi aaya hai. She was so stunned. She didn't expect this from me, because she had come honestly to see how am I reading, या मेरी reading style क्या है, या मैं questions कैसे पूछ रही हूँ, या मैं situation को deal कैसे करती हूँ. तो she didn't have a word. She said she was totally shocked, stammering, and after 10 minutes she said, can I have a cup of coffee? She had a cup of coffee. We chatted for a while, and without doing the reading, she just left. So there are many situations, many incidences which have happened, and yeah, that's how it is.
Barbara. So, Shambhi, your journey of 21 years has been a roller coaster ride, and you have got many people, different kind of people you have got. So, also I want to know,
था भी
Shambhi,
नहीं बताने को कि रीडिंग ऐसे करते हैं या ये सही तरीका है. I mean, whatever came instinctively from my heart, I actually connected and I started, reading for people in that manner, and that truly became my style. And I didn't copy anybody. And उस जमाने में इतने YouTubes नहीं होते थे कि आप किसी को देख के कॉपी कर सकते हो. और मेरे तो वीडियोस भी नहीं थे उस जमाने में. To tell you, Shalu, I was just telling a friend today, I was extremely camera shy at the start of this pandemic. Money to look at the own face and in the camera to talk was like a no. I have a YouTube channel for the last 2 years. I've done nothing about it. So, pandemic has also taught me to go live, to start talking, and to start sharing in the virtual world.
तो अच्छा भी हुआ है, अगर कुछ बुरा हुआ है तो अच्छा भी हुआ है. घर में रहने के बहुत फायदे भी हुए हैं हम लोग ने. इसलिए स्टार्ट में मैंने कहा ना, पेंडेमिक कहीं ना कहीं हैप्पीडेमिक भी रहा है हम सबके लिए. सो यस, वर्चुअल कनेक्शंस बहुत बने हैं. शाम्भवी, एक बात बताओ, आप ये जो आपकी टैरो रीडिंग्स करते हैं, इसके अलावा अगर कोई आपसे सीखना चाहता है, सो डू यू टेक क्लासेस ना?
जी हाँ, मैं बिल्कुल सिखाती हूँ, बट अभी पैंडेमिक के टाइम में अभी थोड़ा सा ब्रेक ली हुई हूँ, ऑब्वियसली बिकॉज वी आर ऑल रनिंग आफ्टर टाइम ये. But once the pandemic is over, yes, I will be back with my classes. I don't only teach tarot. मैं बहुत सारी छोटी छोटी एक एक दिन की workshops लेती हूँ. जैसे money tips पे लेती हूँ. जैसे अभी दिवाली आने वाला है, I will be announcing on Mommy's World also. So एक एक दिन की ना मैं वो WhatsApp courses करती हूँ कि what you should do to bring or enhance the money luck. या 2-3 टिप्स लेती हूँ. या आई डू टिप्स ऑन कलर्स कि क्या कलर्स हमें पहनने चाहिए. जैसे आज आपने मेरा फेवरेट कलर पहना हुआ है, तो हाँ, to tell you, this is my tarot color cloth, which is your same.
Okay.
हाँ,
so good to see this.
So I do a lot of workshops. I teach, but it's just that कि pandemic की वजह से it's a short break.
So शाम्भवी, वेडनेसडेज और थर्सडेज को आई गेस यू नो कि हमारे पास फ्री प्रमोशंस हैं. वी डोंट चार्ज फॉर वेडनेसडेज एंड थर्सडे. सो प्लीज आप अपनी वर्कशॉप के बारे में वहां डालिए, बिकॉज अगर आप वीकली डालते रहेंगे तो पीपल विल कम टू नो अबाउट इट एंड दे कैन रीच आउट टू यू.
Yes, Shalu,
not only mom.
I have been one of those very lazy ones to not be posting too much. But yes, I will begin with my workshops soon. And I will also include the Mommy World's family to my family, and I will go ahead and teach them.
So, I'm very sure not only moms, आजकल बच्चे भी बहुत excited रहते हैं शाम्भवी ये चीजें सीखने के लिए. So you'll get a fabulous response. We have exciting moms and enthusiastic kids. Contest में you can see them. They are doing fabulous. So,
I have a lot of unique things for children also. In fact, this pandemic I got many requests from the teenage kids to help them learn tarot. So yes, for the first time I will be, and you're the first platform where I'm officially announcing it, that I will be coming up with a workshop first. Even if I'm doing in this pandemic, it will be only for the teenagers. So
that's fun.
So since I announced it on your platform, I will formally make an announcement also on your platform that I'm going to take the teenagers to teach them tarot, because उस age में बहुत enthusiasm रहता है और ये age के बच्चे सीखेंगे भी और फटाफट सीखेंगे और ये छुट्टी नहीं मारेंगे सीखने में.
ये नहीं मारेंगे. राइट क्योंकि आज का जनरेशन बहुत अलग है. उनको सब जानना है, बहुत जल्दी सब जानना है. And they are keen to learn. That's one thing. They're really keen to learn.
Absolutely. Yes.
Now quickly, yes, शाम्भवी, I guess अब हम queries पे move करें tarot readings पर, because बहुत सारे moms.
Yes.
Moms ऊपर लिख चुके हैं. I'll just help you.
Yes. Before we go on the queries, I will like to share 2 very important tips, because वो फिर छूट जाएगा. Because Insta has a limited time, we all know. So first I will, because I am also seeing a lot of questions scroll by. So in general, let me first tell you, if there are questions about finances, stuck finances,
हाँ.
पैसे नहीं आ रहे हैं, हमने पैसे दिए हैं, पैसे मूवमेंट नहीं हो रहे हैं, घर में पैसे नहीं आ रहे हैं, मैं आपको 2 बहुत ही इफेक्टिव चीजें बताऊंगी, प्लीज उन्हें इम्प्लीमेंट कीजिए. And join my Insta to share and let me know also ki, you know, how have they been effective to you. First and foremost is your watches that you wear on your wrist. Okay, I don't wear watches much, but yeah, you need to check if your watches are stopped or not. Okay, that's very important because that's the foremost thing. Reason being, ये जो घड़ियां होती हैं हमारे कलाई पे होती हैं, कलाई पे हमारे nerves होता है, pulse होता है, so which is our lifeline. Now what happens if the clock stops? There is a stagnation that happens. So सब चीज हमारे पास रुका रुका सा हो जाता है. सब चीज होने के बावजूद भी we say अरे everything is stuck, I am not happy. डिप्रेशन, मेंटल हेल्थ, ये डिक्शनरी में जितने सारे वर्ड्स है ना हम उस सिचुएशन में यूज कर लेते हैं. बट लिटिल डू वी रियलाइज दैट आवर वॉचेस नीड टू बी रिपेयर्ड. सो वॉचेस नीड टू बी रिपेयर्ड. आज के बाद किसी भी घर में जो भी मुझे सुन रहे हैं उनके पास स्टॉप्ड वॉचेस नहीं होनी चाहिए. उससे क्या होता है, स्टॉप्ड वॉचेस से चिड़चिड़ापन होता है, इरिटेशन होता है, एंग्जाइटी होता है, डिप्रेशन होता है, फाइनेंशियल चीजें रुकती हैं और पैसे का इनफ्लो भी नहीं आता है. सो दिस वाज योर फर्स्ट टिप. सेकंड टिप इज यू कैन बर्न अ तेज पत्ता. जी हाँ, आपको पता है आपके किचन में बहुत सारे ऐसे मैजिक स्पाइसेस हैं. वन ऑफ देम इज तेज पत्ता. विथ अ गोल्डन पेन राइट प्रॉस्पेरिटी ऑन इट. क्लोज योर आईज, विजुअलाइज व्हाट यू वांट. व्हेन डू यू डू दिस? ऑन अ फुल मून. जस्ट बर्न द होल तेज पत्ता. इट विल टेक जस्ट hardly 10 seconds to do. Just burn it, forget about it, भूल जाओ. अगले फुल मून तक देखना वो चीज की या तो गुड न्यूज आ जाएगी या वो चीज आपके पास बन के चला आएगा. Okay, now before I take questions from the audience, first right of question goes to Shalu. Because of her we are all benefiting each other and we are all here on this platform. तो पहला क्वेश्चन शालू से शुरू करेंगे.
I have actually got goosebumps after hearing your Tej Patta wala thing. That I did not know. And honestly, Shambhi, I have no questions. Thankfully, blessed with the people, blessed with the family and things around. So thank you for giving me this opportunity. But seriously, nothing to ask.
In that case, I have pulled out your cards. You're a very hard-working lady. Very, very hard-working. Finances comes behind you, हार्ड वर्क कम्स पहले. पैसा कितना कमाएंगे देख लेंगे, पहले अभी ये मेहनत करना है, कर लेते हैं. ये आइडिया आया है, इसको हम एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं, पैसा आ जाएगा. दिस इज व्हाट इज योर इंटेंशन. यू आर नॉट अ मनी गर्ल. आप पैसे के पीछे नहीं भागती हैं, आप काम देखती हैं और क्वालिटी ऑफ काम देखती हैं जो आपका ग्रुप आपके बारे में बात करता है. यू आर एन एक्सट्रीमली लविंग पर्सन. ये मैंने नहीं बोला है, ये कार्ड्स निकाले हैं. You're very loving. आप जिससे भी मिलती हैं आप soul level पे connect करती हैं. And you only need to wish, which you're not doing, Shalu. You will reach the globe. You will reach the world. Mommy's world and you and me is gonna go globally far more and far better. Just wish. That's what you're not doing. So these are your cards. Yes, now I open doors to questions. So please send me your name, your birth date, and your question quickly.
Thanks a lot, guys. Keep sending your. I'm just staring at you, Shambhi, when you are talking about Mommy's World, because that's yes, definitely one thing in my life I'm working for, definitely. So yes, thank you for this reading. Okay, we'll take.
शालू, चूंकि स्क्रीन बहुत जल्दी रोल कर रहा है, will you read out a question for me?
Yes, I'm going to help you. So Shweta Chauhan is the name, and इनका date of birth है 30th June 83, and she is asking कि I would like to know about myself. करना बहुत कुछ चाहती हूँ, स्टार्ट भी करती हूँ, बट पता नहीं क्यों सक्सेस नहीं मिल रही है.
सक्सेस इसलिए नहीं मिल रही क्योंकि आप ये इसमें लगी हुई हैं कि आगे फ्यूचर क्या होगा. आप अभी समय इन्वेस्ट करने की जगह आपको रिजल्ट की ज्यादा चिंता है. सो आपका जो स्पीड ऑफ डूइंग अ थिंग है वो कम हो जाता है. जैसे बहुत ही रैंडम एग्जांपल, आप सुबह सो के उठिएगा और बोलिएगा आज मैं सबके लिए बटर पनीर बनाती हूँ. बटर पनीर की तैयारी बाद में होगी, पहले आप ये सोचिएगा अच्छा पनीर लाओ, फिर पनीर लेके आओ, फिर ये करो, तो आप इतना टाइम सोचने में लगा दीजिएगा, बाय द टाइम आप बोलेगा चलो छोड़ो, खिचड़ी चढ़ा के खिला के काम खत्म कर दो। ठीक है, तो सोचने में ज्यादा
Right.
समय नहीं निकालना है और करने में निकालना है समय। क्योंकि आप जो सोचती हैं और वो कर नहीं पाती हैं, चिड़चिड़ापन बहुत होता है आपको, और बिना मतलब की फजूल की घर वालों से या दोस्तों में छोटे छोटे नोक झोंक चलते रहते हैं। सो प्लीज अवॉइड दैट। द मिनट यू अवॉइड, success is with you and you will be riding on the horse celebrating, and others will also celebrate for you. So it's the
Wonderful.
time to go ahead and do things rather than to just think about it. Yes, next
That's
question.
wonderful. श्वेता, ध्यान रखो, ये फॉलो करो। ओके, अगला क्वेश्चन है प्रीति गोपाल अग्रवाल, इनका नाम है। इनका डेट ऑफ बर्थ है 24 जनवरी 1988 और ये पूछ रही है कि मेरा अपना घर कब होगा।
ओके, प्रीति, क्या आपको आपकी मदर से कोई इनहेरिटेंस आना है? अगर मदर से कोई इनहेरिटेंस आना है या कोई प्रॉपर्टी आना है तो वो आने तक वेट कीजिए। अगर नहीं तो माँ के नाम पे आप गो अहेड एंड बुक अ प्रॉपर्टी। इट विल हैपन सूनर देन यू रियलाइज। दिस इज हाउ यू विल बी रनिंग। लुक एट द पेस ऑफ द हॉर्स, ये भाग रहा है, बिल्कुल हवा से बातें कर रहा है ये घोड़ा, बिल्कुल उस तरह से चीजें होंगी। घर आपके लिए बहुत सारा पैसा, सुख, समृद्धि, अपॉर्चुनिटी, ग्रोथ, फाइनेंशियल, प्रोफेशनल ग्रोथ, सारे चीज लेकर आएगा। लेकिन घर माँ के नाम पे बुक करें या माँ के साथ मिलके बुक करें।
वंडरफुल। सो अनदर क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम दीप्ति खोसला। इनका डेट ऑफ बर्थ है 8 अगस्त 84 और ये पूछ रही है हाउ विल माय वर्क टेक शेप इन फ्यूचर, विल इट बी अ सक्सेस? बाय द वे, शी इज इन ट्रैवल इंडस्ट्री।
Okay, Deepti, to begin with, very on the first look, you're a number 8 girl, which is an inverted infinity number. So आपके साथ manifestation बहुत काम करेगा. Try and use manifestation a lot. दो 8 नंबर वाले को struggle रहता है, तो थोड़ा struggle रहता है, थोड़ी चीजें होती हैं, but you will be known in your field with your work. Success and fame will come to you. Wait for a week, 10 days. एक हफ्ता 10 दिन के बाद you will meet somebody wherein new business ideas and proposals will come along. Okay, this will start, and by May 2021 you will see significant amount of business and success for yourself. And don't forget to let me know.
Yes, do follow her Insta account and do ping her if you get success. The reading she is doing for you exclusively. So let her know her Insta account. I'll tag in the post when we'll be closing the session. Okay, श्वेता, आपकी क्वेरी हो चुकी है, दूसरों की ले लेते हैं। इनका नाम दीपा है पर इन्होंने जया लिखा है। 29 फरवरी 1976 पर इनकी क्वेरी नहीं है।
ठीक है, चूंकि आपने पढ़ दिया, मैं पढ़ देती हूँ। आपको नजर बहुत लगती है। देखिए, आपके सारे कार्ड्स जो है ना वो बहुत ही डार्क कार्ड्स हैं। आपको नजर बहुत लगती है, तबीयत नहीं ठीक लगती है, और ज्यादातर आप ना नहीं नो सोचती हैं। आपके पास क्वालिटीज बहुत है पर आप शायद इम्प्लीमेंट करने से पीछे हटती हैं। So please, do not think little about yourself. Please go ahead and, explore. What you are not seeing what you're seeing in the picture is this person who's tied with these swords. But what you're not seeing is that there is a big support behind you. There is a huge castle behind you. There's a big support behind you. So जब आप problems की बात करती हैं तो आप ये नहीं देखती हैं कि पीछे आपके support में कौन कौन खड़े हैं। So do not waste your time. हमको यहाँ इस अर्थ पे 200 years जीने नहीं आए हैं। Please use your time and use every minute of your time so that you achieve what makes you happy.
Okay. Another query is from Rita Suresh. Her date of birth is 30th April 1983 and she's saying, I want to know when would finances stabilize in means of business and saving. Money doesn't stay with me.
Money doesn't stay with you. Please check your watches. please do the tej patta wala solution, and I'm sure money
Yeah.
will start staying with you. Well, your new year will begin very nice. Sorry, it will from February 2021. सारी चीजें जो आपको चाहिए वो सब आपको मिलेगा in a very magical way, the least you expect. Personal life will improve, which will give you a lot of mental satisfaction. Finally, little later half of the year, सितंबर तक जाके आप बिल्कुल मेंटली, इमोशनली, फिजिकली आप स्टेबल रहिएगा, and then automatically you will feel very nice. Shalu, I will like to take one question here of Vartika Par Pat Partani.
Vartika Partani. I missed that.
Okay.
Yeah.
Her birth date caught my attention, so I just want to say, Vitika, sorry. Vitika, your birth date, if you didn't know, it is a master number. Number 1 is a number of sun. और आपके birth date में 111111 4 बार है. Okay, which means you are a blessed soul. आपको honestly पता नहीं आपके अंदर या आपके पास कितनी potential है, कितनी सारी चीजें आप कर सकती हैं, and you are not able to do. The lovely part of it कि 1982 को भी अगर मैं add up करती हूँ, 8 and 2 10 यानी 1, 9 and 1 10 यानी 1. So you have not 1, you have 6 ones. So it's a beautiful, blessed number. I'm sure you should know, and you must make the best out of it. You must also pray to the sun god, because then you don't know. For you, sky is the limit. Wish karo and stay away from black, and sky is the limit for you. All the best. Yes, over to you.
That's nice. Yeah. So another is Aparna Nair, and her date of birth is 3rd March 1985, and she's asking future of my business.
Future of?
My business. She has started a business online some time ago.
Future of business is good, but आप सोचते बहुत है शायद, और सोचने में रह जाते हैं, तो ये रिजल्ट नहीं आ पाएगा अगर हम सोचते ही रहे तो सोचना है और सोचते सोचते काम भी करना है. नहीं, अगर आप सिर्फ सोचते रहे तो क्या होगा? डिप्रेशन हो जाएगा. इसलिए प्लीज डू नॉट ओनली सिट, थिंक एंड वेस्ट योर टाइम, बट प्लीज गो अहेड एंड इम्प्लीमेंट what you want to do. I will share a small tip. Please make a to-do list. Please make your small milestones, and please reward yourself on these small milestones. Okay? Then the joy of doing something on your own is far more greater. Can I share a small tip with you? So what I do, I have my own milestones. For example, I have my number of blogs to write. I have my number of consultations that I do. And if I do it, I go and treat myself with a nice Myntra gift for myself. And I waited so anxiously, just like my child would wait for a birthday gift. I go and treat myself. So don't forget to keep rewarding yourself, and keep doing little things that makes you happy, because that is the energy that you are churning and cycling, and you are actually working around with.
And not to stress.
Ji?
And not to stress about the business.
Yes, absolutely. Not to stress. Stress is a waste of energy, please. So that every time you're stressed, you know now where to connect, who to connect, why to connect, So stress is a total waste of energy.
Okay, so another is Anita Thakkar. Her date of birth is 14 June 1985. She's though asking for her professional life, but I know her personally through WhatsApp. Shambhavi, she is not keeping well since few days. So if you can guide about professional and personal, she's not asking, so I'm asking for her.
So her timing is not okay. She is going through a karmic cleansing time. Health, wealth, mentally, emotionally, she is not going. She's not in a very good space right now. Not to worry. She has good friends to look after her. She's holding certain emotions in her heart which she's not talking about. Please open your heart and speak to your closest buddies, and they are there to understand you and listen to you. No, don't worry, they will not judge you if that is what is holding you back. They are there to show you ahead. And once you open up, you will be sitting like an empress, and the world will love you for who you are. So please, this is your time to open up. One more thing I would like to share with everybody, talking of relationships, calm, sadness, bad health. So this year 2020 has two very symbolic numbers in it. Okay. The first number is 2. So the 2 is repeated. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And then the number 0 is there. So 4 actually means, a time and space where something is finishing. And 0 means zero means that something beautiful is beginning again. So something is finishing for good and something is starting for good. So please use this year to start new things, new hobbies, and the world then will just wait for you.
Pooja Modi Jha, I missed your date of birth, so if you can write it again, I'll take your next question. Meanwhile, I'll take another question. This is Sweta Kha. And her date of birth is 19 June 1987, and she's asking, please advise how my work front will shape up. How is the future? By the way, she's recently got a job, so I'm aware. So she's asking about her career.
Yes, your career is there. You put in a lot of hard work. You do not get the kind of results that you look for. Often delays होते हैं जिसकी वजह से आप बहुत सोचने लग जाते हैं. So you need to go ahead when do your work. Don't waste your time in thinking. King of Pentacles is there to say, don't worry. Success and good times are coming soon. So continue with the good effort, good things. Do the solutions I've given to all of you, and things will change.
Wonderful. Shambhi, we'll take last 3 questions only.
Sure.
Because time is getting up. So Shama Yashodhan is the name, and her date of birth is 30th November 1986. She's asking, when can I kickstart my career? She's a homeopath.
आपको नजर बहुत लगती है. सबसे पहले आप प्लीज आप नजर का उपाय कीजिए. नजर का उपाय कैसे करेंगे? 3 चीजों से करेंगे नजर का उपाय. पहला, घर में ही उपाय कर सकते हैं. अपने खुद के सर के ऊपर से 3 बार आप लाल मिर्च और राई ऐसा घुमा के, सर के ऊपर से घुमा के 3 बार, आते जाते दोराहे तिराहे चौराहे पे जिस किसी की भी नजर लगी हो वो जल के भस्म हो जाए. ऐसा बोलकर आप अपने सर से उतार कर नजर का जो वो मिर्ची का पुड़िया है उसको जला देंगे. अगर उसमें से खुशबू आती है, मिर्ची की जलने की खुशबू आती है, तो आपको नजर नहीं लगी है. पर अगर पूरी मिर्ची जल जाती है और खुशबू नहीं आती है तो आपको नजर लगी है. सो ये इसका टेस्ट होता है. हाँ, क्योंकि अगर हम यूजुअली मिर्च डालते हैं खाने में तो बहुत सारा स्मोक आता है और हम बहुत खांसते हैं. बट जब हम नजर के उपाय करते हैं तो पूरी मिर्च जल जाती है. थोड़ा भी पता नहीं चलता है कि घर में आपने मिर्च को जलाया है. ठीक है, ये पहला उपाय है. दूसरा उपाय है, शनिवार के दिन काले कुत्ते को खिला दीजिए. तीसरा उपाय, पीपल के पेड़ पे सुबह सुबह नहाकर. अब सुबह का मतलब मेरे लिए तो 6 और 7 बजे बिल्कुल भी नहीं होता है. आराम से 7:30, 8, 8:30 तक जाके पीपल के पेड़ पे नहा के, बिना चाय पिए, बिना नाश्ता किए, नहाने के बाद वहां पे जल दे दीजिए. तो जो कुछ भी आपके लिए वो सही नहीं है वो पीपल का पेड़ अब्सॉर्ब कर लेगा और ये हो जाएगा. चौथी बात, घर आके हनुमान चालीसा सुने ऑन अ सैटरडे, ट्यूसडे एंड सैटरडे. दैट इज अ वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग प्रोटेक्शन मंत्र. कुछ नहीं होगा.
Okay. All right. So quickly, last 3 questions are, पूजा मोदी झा का डेट ऑफ बर्थ है 28 दिसंबर 1983 और इनका प्रमोशन बहुत टाइम से बार बार डिले हो रहा है. आप कब एक्सपेक्ट कर सकती हैं अपनी जॉब में प्रमोशन? ये शी इज वर्किंग इन अ बैंक.
यू आर गोइंग थ्रू अ पीरियड ऑफ ट्रांजिशन. सूर्य की पूजा कीजिए. बहुत ब्यूटीफुल कार्ड आया है. संडे दूर नहीं है. संडे से सूर्य की पूजा शुरू करेंगे. तांबे के लोटे में थोड़ा सा जल लेके ओम सूर्याय नमः बोलेंगे. आदित्य हृदयम का पाठ सुनेंगे जो यूट्यूब पे मिल जाएगा आपको. आंख बंद करेंगे, विजुअलाइज करेंगे कि आपको प्रमोशन मिल रहा है और इसी तरह से आप जाके ओम सूर्याय नमः बोल के आप ये जल दे देंगे. और अप्रैल will be a good news month.
Wonderful. So Pooja, you got your answer. Now Kamna saying I missed her date of birth. No, I did not miss Kamna. There are so many questions. So Kamna Sharma इनका नाम है और इनका है 22 जुलाई 1986 and she wants to know about her future.
22 जुलाई, सॉरी क्वेश्चन क्या है?
अपना फ्यूचर जानना चाह रही है वो. अभी उन्होंने कुछ नया बिजनेस भी स्टार्ट किया है, तो आगे की कैसा है?
I don't know why my video is gone. Just give me 1 minute.
Yes, I can see now.
I don't know why it went away. All right, future अच्छा है. जुलाई से चीजें अच्छी हुई. Current situation is not very good. It's not looking up in your direction. Don't lose hope. Whoever is elder in your family, husband, father, brother, just spend some time talking to them what is troubling you and listen to what guidances they have to give you.
Okay. Quickly, last two questions because questions are increasing and we are running out of time. Priya
Yes.
Mehta says 11th August 1983 इनका date of birth है और ये बोल रही है हमारा अपना घर कब होगा. I guess this is the important question everybody wants to know, Shambhi.
Yes, I think इस घर के क्वेश्चन को लेके वो बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्रेस्ड है, तो आप स्ट्रेस मत रहिए. ये एक्चुअली घर खरीदने के लिए आपके लिए समय उचित नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर समय उचित नहीं होगा, समय फीजिबल नहीं होगा तो नुकसान करेगा. ये देखिए लॉसेस होंगे, प्रॉपर्टी मिलेगा नहीं टाइम पे. सो यू नीड टू वेट फॉर सम टाइम एंड गो अहेड एंड बुक योर प्रॉपर्टी पोस्ट Feb 2021, नथिंग बिफोर दैट. तो ये आने वाले 3 महीने में हम बिल्कुल शांति से रहेंगे.
ओके, तो इनका बहुत ऊपर से आ रहा है बार बार क्वेश्चन. इनका नाम है प्रियंका ओबरॉय और इनका डेट ऑफ बर्थ है 22 जुलाई 1984 और इनकी क्वेरी बार बार जा रही है. एक सेकेंड. ये कुछ अपने हस्बैंड के बारे में जानना चाह रही है, बट इट्स कीप गोइंग अप because we're getting so many queries now. Just a second, I'll just read it. Yes, she's asking, please check for my husband, Anand Krishnan. Oh God, it's again gone. आप इनके हस्बैंड के लिए कुछ बता सकती हैं? 22 जुलाई 1985, I guess.
क्या क्वेश्चन है हस्बैंड के बारे में, क्या बताऊं?
उन्होंने इतना बड़ा क्वेश्चन लिया और वो बार बार जा रहा है एंड वी आर रनिंग आउट ऑफ टाइम. सो गाइस, अगर आपको लगता है टाइम जा रहा है, आप कभी भी शाम्भी से बात कर सकते हैं. ओके, शी इज आस्किंग ही ऑलवेज हैव हेल्थ इश्यूज. 22 जुलाई 1985 है, आनंद कृष्णन नाम है उनका.
हेल्थ इश्यूज, हाँ मुझे दिख रहा है, थोड़े समय तक रहेगा. आई थिंक सम उपायों की जरूरत है. यू माइट नीड टू डू अ लिटिल डिटेल्ड रीडिंग पोस्ट द सेशन एंड कुछ समय है जो उनके फेवर में नहीं जा रहा है. सो इन माय व्यू यू विल नीड टू टेक अ डिटेल्ड कंसल्टेशन व्हिच वी कैन टॉक प्रोफेशनली ऑफलाइन. सो आई वुड सजेस्ट दैट फॉर यू.
All right, guys. So I guess since we are running out of time and Shambhi also have a lot of commitments, so thanks a lot, Shambhi, for coming in and
My pleasure,
sharing your
Shalu.
journey.
Bilkul, my pleasure.
Leading the charge for the community.
Thank you everybody for
We
asking
love
your
the-
questions.
We love the session, Shambhi, and we definitely would want you back again in the community, actively participating and posting about your workshops and everything. एक
बिल्कुल,
बार
I
आप
will.
अपने फेसबुक पेज का और इंस्टाग्राम पेज का हैंडल बता दीजिए.
Bilkul. So all of you can join me on Tarot for You Shambhavi. Tarot for You is my community. Tarot for You is my page, my group. All of you are welcome to join me there. I do live sessions, but अभी थोड़े दिनों से रुका हुआ है. And any consultations are all professional consultations. So please, my humble request कि live chats में ही हम सारे free consultations करते हैं. So I hope
Yes.
you understand that. And
Yes.
it is not about business, it is about energy exchange. The energy I
Yes.
put in is that is what is there. So I hope we'll all respect that. I'm available on call, WhatsApp message. You want to, it's www.tarotforyou.com. You can Google about me. I'm blessed to have 8 pages of Google with my name. So I'm very happy to share that. So yes, you can Google me up. You can look up my website, tarotforyou.com. is my website. Tarot for You Shambhavi is my Insta and Facebook handle. So I'll see you all there. Thank you so much, Shalu. Love you. Love, lots of love to Mommy's World, you and me. And yes, more of me, more actively on the community.
Sure. Take care. Thanks for joining in.
Thank
Bye.
you. Stay safe, everybody. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Bye. So guys, here we come to an end of the session. A wonderful session. We are running out of the time. Live will end any time. And thanks for joining in. This was a wonderful session by Shambhavi and Mommy's World for You and Me. We meet you next Friday once again.